the DG and members of the campaign council, our dynamic candidate, Dr. Stephen Adeode, very distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Let me stand on the protocols that have already been established. With due respect to the chairman of council, my friend, the chief of staff, and my coordinator general and good friend, Mr. Kenneth Akla. I'm back on the campaign trail. I had to take a break to go and attend to matters of exigency in Abuja. But I decided to come back. I've been seeing pictures and videos, and I saw that the campaign trail was moving to success. We thank God for the grace and the blessings He has given all of us. And I've said to people that we cannot come and campaign in Obudu. That Obudu is already PDP total. I've said that when we come to Obudu, we will come and celebrate and discuss with our brothers. There is a competition going on, and that competition is who will give PDP the highest votes in elections come 31st of October. The Kwara people sent me as I was coming. They said I should come and tell Obudu that Obudu has been trying them all. But this time around, they want to take ownership of the distinguished senator in the making. Obudu Nago Green. The message I have, because everywhere I speak, I bring a message. And for the people of Obudu, the message I have is simple. That you are our leaders. You are the leaders of PDP today. For him who much is given, much is expected. Abinobi so. So we expect, say, come 31st, una go give PDP the kind of votes where we never see before. Today I happy especially say the 5 wards gather for Ipong, because I know say Ipong na the ward where our digital governor come from. That step alone na sign where una dey show governor say una stand with am. No be so? So we come to talk to una. We come to tell una say we support una as una dey support una son. Because for life, na so e suppose dey. Everybody suppose support their own people. E get plenty things wey I for talk, but I no go talk them. But all of us know, say for life you must stand by your own. For Abuja, una see wetin dey happen, I no go talk am o. For east and west, una see wetin dey happen. Everybody they rally around their own for direction. Today we come introduce our candidate for Senate, Dr. Stephen Adeode. And our daughter for House of Assembly, Mrs. Akwaji. For Mrs. Akwaji, I don't get too much talk to talk. Because when I don't already show us, say, as a people for Obudu, una they stand by una own. I remember when we come here, come talk to una about the wife of our departed brother, Honorable Stephen Okpokon. Una no be send the wife go House of Assembly. No be landslide victory. Now this one go dey different. But we first of all clap for our governor for being a sensitive man. For being a man we understand say if person die, that position get to go back to that same place. And no matter what, they get to rally people to support that position. We have done it before, we are going to do it again. And even in the case of Dr. Stephen Odi, we lost our illustrious daughter. The position has still been sent to Yala. My message is clear and straightforward, that we expect the highest votes from Obudu local government. Because if una no wake up, the Kwara go overtake una. Even Ogoja say that they threaten to give Dr. Steve the highest vote. So Budu, una no go wake up. This thing no be una thing. When I been talk the last time for Okpoma, I been get phone call from some of our brothers. We know they stay for Nigeria, we they stay for abroad. You know what they tell me? They say, Honorable Lego, before we know been they support Ben Ayade. We've been saying may we join people where they criticize Ben Ayade. But when we hear your talk, we don't realize say tomorrow our children and grandchildren where they behind us, they feel aspire to the office of governor or any other office. And people from other senatorial districts go ask them, say when our son Ben Ayade been there for office, what he been do? So we don't realize say we must come together and support our son for the sake of our generations yet unborn. That talk na strong talk. And na the message where I come give una for Obudu. First of all, to thank una for the support we una don dey give before. And then secondly, to charge una, say now where everybody dey look eye come Obudu. Where everybody for not don gree, say we go start with Obudu. Make una vote on that day. Show us say now una we dey follow. Make una vote no show say una dey follow us o. May show say na una we dey follow. No be so. Lastly, we don't come Obudu come campaign. I don't come with our sister, illustrious daughter of blessed memory, Senator Rose Oko. We don't make promises to una. But today she is no more. May her soul rest in peace. The person we are sending to the Senate to take over from her is Dr. Stephen Odi. And Dr. Stephen Odi is a household name for Obudu. He don't work with our son, Tete. Even when our son, they Senate, now they run messages. He understands the National Assembly well. Now, we they send them with a combination of Dr. Stephen Odi for Senate, myself for House of Reps, and our son, Ben Ayade as governor. He get anything we I want, we no go fit to. Now they celebrate because now una turn. National Union of Road Transport, they get slogan. They say everything now. Today now Obudu turn, no be so. That's so. May we support PDP 100%. 100. So that tomorrow when it be another people turn, we will talk say when it be Obudu turn, Obudu no be for our hand, no be so. I trust my 2 brothers or 3 brothers, where I go call the anchor of PDP in Obudu. My very good friend, the Chief of Staff, Martin Zorim. I know say you know go forehand. My very good friend and senior brother, Chief Tony Udeande. I know say you know go forehand. My coordinator and bosom friend, Kenneth Akla, you go forehand. I go ask chairman of council, you go forehand. So we don't agree. Say Obudu na total. Make a thank una for the support. Make a thank una for everything una don dey do. Make a thank una because I know say on the 31st una go give us the maximum vote wey Obudu don been give PDP, both for Dr. Stephen Ode and Mrs. Akwaji. Mrs. Akwaji ona carry go. Dr. Stephen Ode ona carry waka. Abi no be so? After that, we will come celebrate una, come thank una for all the support una don give us. Let me call on the DG of the campaign council, my friend and brother, Chief Peter Oje, to come up here and invite our candidate to address the people. PDP! Power!